Hey, it's Roman, Deer Park Farmstead. We are trying to beat the heat. We have family coming any day now, and so I decided to build something we can kind of have a little bit of retreat under. And so check it out. This is something that was basically, well, some part of it we spent money, but most of it's free. So I decided to make a pergola slash grape arbor from wood we had in the forest and try to get a little shade. So I put these posts 2 feet in the ground, and before I put them in the ground, I connected a pole over the top. So I made a nice little C-shaped, put them in the ground, and did the same thing over here, put that in the ground, and then put these laterals over before I put these posts going across. So they're approximately 2 feet, maybe a foot and a half gap, starting like right there and going all the way across. Then I went ahead and put some of those Home Depot outdoor lights, the LED lights, in there. So at night we can relax under there. You can't really see them, I guess, but it goes all the way around. See them right there. And I probably should. There's holes in every one of these, so you can drill them in. So I drilled them in every once in a while here, and it came out great. It's just kind of like little gaps here and there, but for the most part it keeps everything nice and shaded. It's 100 degrees. I mean, it's crazy hot. We've been freezing water bottles, sticking them in the waters for these birds here. You can see them sticking their, you see them kind of sticking their wings up a little high. That's when you know they're really, really hot. That one's got its mouth open. Got all these little babies over here. They're all hanging in there. This place is mostly all shaded anyways, so looking pretty good. That's why we chose these areas specifically, because we wanted them to have shade from the hot summers. This little bugger. Hey, little dude. He was following me around. It's so funny. We have our second batch of meat birds inside the tractor. We ended up with 23 meat birds that we went ahead and processed. So we have plenty of meat in our freezer, along with our pig that we just processed recently. We still have plenty more of that as well. So really feeling blessed with our meat situation. The garden's doing really well. So you guys stay cool. We're gonna hydrate. I'm gonna go hide in the house for a little while longer. I spreaded some of this gravel, and we're getting prepared. Really getting some stuff going here, cleaning up the area for our in-laws, my in-laws. So really stoked. Y'all be good. Talk to you soon.